in a great mood and I have no idea why. Hey mama, it's Minnie, and excuse how terrible I look. I had an allergic reaction on my face, so I am not camera ready per se, but it is almost that time for new beginnings. You know, school year is coming around, so before we get cute and make ourselves into a whole new girl for the year with our wardrobe, we need to make space for our new clothes. So I'm gonna go ahead and go through my entire room and clear out what is no longer needed and, you know, make room for new clothes. So let's get started. Okay, so don't judge me, but right now this is how my room is looking. It is a hot mess. I have clothes literally all over. This surprisingly is fine. Bags just laying around. This is a mess on its own. Shoes should be put away. This still hasn't been unpacked since I got back from Hawaii. This new bag that I have packed stuffed from filming stuff here. Oh, this is, oh, look at that mess in all of its glory. So messy. Shoes, just any, look at that. Look at that. Why is it upside down? Just any type of way. Right here is a dead fly. That is disgusting. And I have trash on the floor for once in my life. Benadryl. Benadryl on the floor. It's a mess. We're a mess right now. But yes, we are here to fix that. So I'm going to start with the basics, and we're just going to go through and clean up the general mess that is seen, and then we'll work our way to the closet. Hello, friend.
Hello. Have fun. It's a breath.
She's so cute. All right, let's get it. Hi, I'm back. So right now, as you can probably see, I'm making little piles around the bed. This one will be my pile of stuff that is already on hangers that needs to be in the closet. I don't know why it's on my bed. This one over here will be stuff that needs to be hanged up but is not on hangers. Over there in the corner, I have a pile of just my work uniform, which is all goes on one hanger. And then I will make another pile here-ish with stuff that needs to be put away in drawers, like my shirts. And then I just have my spare hangers over here that I can grab and put stuff on. And now I'm gonna make one more pile because I found something that I no longer want. And it'll be the to go away forever pile. And I'll just put it way back here. Okay, so that's everything on my bed. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it all away, and then we'll move on to the rest of the room. I have everything in piles now, already on hangers, already folded nice and neatly. So I'm just gonna go ahead and quickly throw it in the closet. So now I'm going to go around and pick up all the little lingering things that need to be put away. ready. I folded everything nicely, laid it out in its piles, and I'm just gonna put it away. And that is it for all the stuff. Now to an impromptu trip to the bodega. And the last but certainly not least, the closet. So I'm going to go through it, and I'm going to go through every article of clothing that I own. This should be fun. Okay, so as you can see, my closet is two double doors. I'm going to open it up. See my clothes hanging. My closet is color coordinated, so I have all of my colors here. In the middle, I have my blacks, and on the other side, I have my like creams and whites and whatnot. And then underneath, I have my drawers, which holds my regular schmegler clothes. And then up top, I have randomness. And this basket is all of my like bikini and beach stuff and hats and whatnot, and I think maybe scarves too. And then in the one on this corner over here is my pajamas. So I will be going through all of that and seeing what needs getting rid of. So I did a good little number, as you can see. I'm gonna go ahead and try on my try on pile, and then we'll go from there. And that is a wrap. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you